Language is a thread that ties our past to the present and into the future. It is a living pulse of who we are. Through words, we hold our dreams in our tongues and our roots stay grounded. The Igbo language is the heartbeat of our people's identity, yet it is one of Africa's most endangered languages, at the risk of fading with each generation. My name is Ife, and Echoes of Home is my response. A digital series that blends stories, music, and proverbs together to keep the Igbo language and its ancestral wisdom alive, bridging the gap between oral tradition and written word. It invites young people and the world at large to rediscover Igbo identity, its language, and memory. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Echoes of Home. If